computer doctor. Today I show you how to repair the higher laptop hinges. So watch this video and subscribe my channel Computer Dr. Mardan. Like and share. Follow me.
Hi again. This laptop, I want to repair this hinges. So first of all, you see this back side screw. So I will open now. This first one, that second one, it's all is open. Now I take out this back side cover. Take it easy. So now I put it. First of all, you see this side and both hinges. So now I open also that screw. First one, that's second one. After that I open that cover easily. So it's very easy. That's prime monistor laptop hinges, how to repair that hinges. So now I show you, it's very easy. First I take it this rubber and this bush. So there is very small screw, you see, that's one. Another side, that's four screw. Now I take it, open first one and second, that's third and fourth one. When I open this screw, so I show you how to open this cover. Now it's very easy. So after that you open this also 6 to 10 screw more. First one and after that more. Slowly opening this screw. So now I show you this both hinges, it's broke. Like and subscribe my channel please. After that we show you another video. So this hinges now you see is broke. Another one now you see this second one. So this cover I keep it one side. This hinges now I make it. So now you see this hinges. Now I make this one easily. See this, I open this cover. So this paper is iron paper. So now I take it one symbol like English T. So first I make this design. After that I show you this design symbol like T. So again I show you how to make this T design. After that you see it's make now. So I cut it now, make a symbol for laptop hinges. So after that you teach how to repair more hinges. If there is not available your laptop hinges, so how to repair your own hinges in your laptop. So after that you see I make it now. So first I check this both hinges. Next time I push it for a level. So this hinges I making now. So after that you easily make it in your home. So now you see this is easy, it's making now. So now I make this another symbol. You see this iron paper. Now I close it one side. You see, so it's easily I make now this hinges. You can watch this video. So this hinges paper, now I second line again make for you another one. So now I close it again. You see easily I close it. Now I put it in the hinges. So it's a little bit long, so now I cut it. Now I cut it a little bit. I cross a sign, so I cut it now. Next you see again I put it, so now I close it. It's both hinges. Also I make it another one again after that. So this hinges now is ready, but now I fix it. It's loose now. So after I cut off one paper for a small now you see this sticker. I take one side, from one side to another one side, it sticks on glue. Okay, so now if you have borax powder, if you have near in shop, so take it and bring. So after next time I enter the borax powder a little bit. Now you see, watch this video. So this borax powder, now I a little bit it fixes like original hinges. Okay, watch this. Now I put it little bit glue. So this another side also you can put it. So this hinges now a little bit is big, so now I push it again for cleaning. So it's a little bit bigger, so now I crush this. So it's clean now, it's make. Now that is fixed. So a little time you can make it easy. So now this hinges is fixed. Good. So it's now made. So after that next time, now I enter a little glue for hard. So that hinges now is make. So after the next time you can see this hinges. I want to put it and I will give him a black color for showing beautiful. So this hinges is ready. After 10 minutes I put it both hinges again. Its hinges is ready now. So my all members, you can watch this video and you see how to repair and make this hinges for your prime monistor laptop. So I put it this hinges, and after that I fix this cover. This cover, now you see, fix this any side, and after that you can check how's your repair, it's fixed or not. So after that you can fix your screw. First screw, after second one, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It's clear now. So this is the another side cover. Now I fix it, and after that next screw, now I fix it. So now you can see after next time now I fix this another cover. So follow me and go to another side. Now you can see this cover, this last cover, now I fix it and I check it again also. So that's cover, it's fixed. That's last screw for hinges. That's first one. The prime monistor laptop hinges cover now is fixed. This last screw. So this cover is completely now. This both hinges is ready now. You can see now. So after that, follow me. Now I take this laptop and fix this cover again. So now I fix it. It's easily. So first of all, you can check this right side and left side. So you fitted this cable. After that, you can fix this iron. So this cable I want to enter in the cable hook. So this jig is complete now, and after that I fixes the screw. So please the members, when you fix the laptop, please check every side and everything completely, then your hinges will work. So now I show you it's fixed, and after that it's working or not. So follow me. Its screw is completely now. So please, our page name is Computer Dr. Mardan. Now you see this laptop is ready and hinges also. So I want to put this back side cover and fix it easily. So put the cover and fix it, and after that, now after that you fix the screw. First of all, you can check the foot cover. So it's complete now. You can see now hinges is ready. So this is the paper. Now I fix it. Now you see this hinges is very nice. So like this page, Computer Dr. Mardan, and also YouTube channel. So this hinges is ready. Now I want to fix it, this tablet. So now you see easily. Watch this video and subscribe my channel Computer Dr. Mardan. Like and share please. So now you see this laptop is ready. Open and close, and back side, and this is very nice. So thank you for watching my video.